everyone, this is Dr. Katie from Scribenote, and today I will be walking you through mobile verification for Scribephone on your phone. So you're going to open your Scribenote app on your phone and look for this green phone button at the bottom. We'll click on it here and it will bring you to the Scribephone caller. So if you haven't used Scribephone, you should. It's amazing. It will record both sides of the conversation for you. Now, typically, your most commonly used template is selected. So I typically use an adaptive template that I've created for my callbacks, but it usually defaults to the callback, so you can use that as well. Both work just fine. Now, to verify your number, you have to go into the settings or click this calling from blue highlighted line. And you can choose to select the verbal warning here. You don't have to, so mine is toggled off right now, but if you turn it on, Scribenote will automatically tell the client that the call is being recorded. So to add a phone number, we will press this button here, and then you have two options. You can add like a phone number that's just like a regular number, so like a clinic phone number, your own cell phone, etc. Or you can add a phone number that has multiple extension and wait steps. So I'll show you how to do that first. So if we were going to call, say, a referral hospital and they had, multiple different steps, we could add a press step. So press 2 to get to reception, and then wait, 3 seconds. So, or you could, type a different amount of seconds if it took 10 seconds, whatever it was. And then if there were additional steps, then you could add them as well. So that's how you would add Scribephone with extension sequence. And then if we were adding just a straight phone number, we would do that up here. Okay, so I've got a number in here, and I am going to hit verify. Now, what this does is it will send a phone call to the phone that the number is from. And just remember that the number we're adding here is the number that the client will see on their call ID. So, you want to make sure that this is a number that they're going to recognize and pick up for your call. So we'll hit verify, and then I will get a code. And then the phone call will be sent to that number, and we'll enter the code in, and then we'll hit done. And then you'll see that that phone number has been verified here. Now, if you have multiple phone numbers that you want to be able to call from, so say you're mobile and you want to call from a certain number while you're on the road and then a certain number when you're in the clinic, you can have multiple verified phone numbers on here. You can share them with your team. Just remember, you can switch phone numbers that you're going to be calling from between calls. So just remember to do that, and that way you'll be all set when you're calling your clients. So you just basically toggle over and then the number will be selected. I hope that helps.